Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to view all open programs on Windows 11. To begin, use the Alt plus Tab keys to see and select the app or program. After this, open any of this program. Now pulse the Alt plus F4 key to close this app. Repeat these steps with all other apps. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.